What's up, y'all? This is a story I'm sure you've seen a million times. Okay, I got water at 212 right here. 212 Fahrenheit. And cold ass outside air. Minus 1 Fahrenheit. Let's see what happens when I do this. Oh! Holy crap!
Did you freeze your camera over?
No, I just walked it.